Emergency. Luna Classic big price drop. Terra 2.0 up 300%. WTF is happening? Terra Classic has grown enormously in price since its update. What will be the price ceiling for this cryptocurrency? Will it be able to break into the top of the best cryptocurrencies? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The current price of Terra Classic today is $0.000248 with a 24-hour trading volume of $512,035,696. We update our lunc price in US dollars in real time. The 4-hour lunc chart complemented other indicators on the network, as it assumed a huge advantage of bulls in the market. The exponential moving average, EMA, tape indicated a large gap between the 20-day EMA and the 55-day EMA, thereby indicating that buyers have an advantage. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, readings also painted a similar picture, as the blue lines seem to be moving away from the red line. All indicators and market indicators point in the same direction that lunc may grow in the coming weeks, bringing joy to its investors. Nevertheless, on the one hand, the EMA and MACD tape showed a bull market. On the contrary, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, declined slightly on September 1st, which may hinder the continued growth of the lunc. Recently, Edward Kim, a Terra, lunc, community member, gave a proposal that will help revive the digital asset. Kim proposed a 1.2% tax burn implementation for all the on-chain lunc transactions. The collapse of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra and its ecosystem brought billions of dollars in losses. The entire crypto space was thrown into a state of confusion. Though many events emerged in the aftermath of the fall, the crypto community is still hopeful for the network. Through careful plans and development strategy, a new ecosystem, Terra Classic, lunc, is brewing. Following its roadmap, the network will soon have its burning mechanism currently receiving attention in the industry. With the burning mechanism, the network will move transaction tax to a dead address. This will automatically remove a portion of the circulating supply permanently. Kim's proposal has positively impacted the Terra Classic network as the lunc increased by about 250%. Furthermore, due to the growing sentiment about the network, some crypto exchanges are suddenly interested in the project. These include Gate.io, KuCoin, and MEX Global, which now desire to support the progress of the burning mechanism of the Terra community. On its part, MEX Global went beyond what the other exchanges played. While pronouncing its support, the exchange also had a time-limited lunc burning event. The exchange also maintained that it would burn lunc USTC spot trading fees between September 3rd and September 7th for the network. But there have been mixed opinions about the reactions from the crypto exchange. Some community members have already called out to the exchanges following their posts to support the lunc token burning process. After the KuCoin announcement, a Twitter user Fatman, a pseudonymous Terra researcher, criticized the exchange. The researcher tagged the post from KuCoin as a nothing burger PR post. He mocked the exchange on how its support will be, given that the tax burn is completed on-chain. He retorted that KuCoin should focus on taxing transactions, though no exchange can do so. KuCoin CEO Johnny Liu responded to the criticism by stating that the firm is user-focused and neutral. Liu mentioned that KuCoin would respect the opinion of the Terra community. He reiterated that they are still available to help, even with the tax proposal. Similarly, Gate.io had announced that with the approval of the proposal, the exchange would implement the lunc and USTC on-chain burn. However, another community member had called out to Gate.io over its announcement. The member said the statement from the exchange was erroneous and could mislead people. He maintained that implementing the burning mechanism is outside the exchange's jurisdiction. Following the meteoric rise of meme coins in 2021 led by Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, interest in the two assets appears to have faded in line with the general cryptocurrency price movement. However, Terra Classic, lunc, the old chain of the collapsed Terra, Luna ecosystem, appears to be taking over the throne. In particular, lunc has recorded significant growth after the price went to near zero, and its movement has increasingly mirrored Doge's trajectory. Analysis by Santiment indicates. The analysis notes that lunc is recording a new wave of crowd attention, with investors pumping more money into the asset. For instance, the price and trading volume of lunc are currently following the same pattern as Doge at the same time last year. Interestingly, both tokens registered an initial run-up before embarking on a flat consolidation followed by the resumption of significant interest. Similarly, the interest in lunc has also reflected social trends, whereas of September 8th, lunc-related keywords accounted for the 1st and 8th position on the Santiment's tracker, translating to growing attention among the masses. Based on this trend, the study notes that lunc will likely crash, similar to Doge and SHIB. Overall, following Terra's collapse, lunc has emerged among the best-performing crypto tokens, recording significant buying pressure as investors attempt to regain the lost glory. By press time, lunc was trading at $0.00033738, having recorded gains of over 30% in the last 7 days. However, on the 24 hours chart, lunc is experiencing a sell-off with losses of 16% in 24 hours, a scenario linked to possible cashing out by investors. Amid the sell-off, the analysis further shows that the money exiting lunc is likely going to Terra 2.0, Luna, considering the relationship between the two assets. In this line, Luna has pumped over 160% in the last 7 days, trading at around $4.80 by press time. It is worth noting that the price movement of the collapsed Luna ecosystem tokens has mainly been driven by the community's activity, which has resorted to short squeezes to drive the price up. Similarly, the assets continue to receive support from crypto entities like exchanges. Furthermore, lunc developers are also rolling increased network activity, aiming to give the asset utility. For instance, developers have rolled out a burning mechanism to minimize the token's supply and potentially trigger a price rally. Crypto derivatives exchange FTX on Monday said it will suspend deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, from September 12 at 1400 UTC. In addition, FTX will end support for Anchor Protocol, delist ANC, and suspend ANC spot and futures on September 12. Crypto exchange FTX, in an official announcement on September 5, revealed that deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, will be suspended on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX wallet will no longer support deposit and withdrawal services. However, the crypto exchange will continue to support the convert function for lunc and USTC. FTX recommends completing deposits and withdrawals before the deadline. Deposits and withdrawals made after the deadline will not credit to wallets. In addition, FTX will delist Anchor Protocol, ANC, token. It will also end support for ANC spot and futures markets on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX will cancel all ANC, USD and ANC perp orders, cease trading on ANC, USD and ANC perp markets, and suspend ANC deposits and withdrawals. Moreover, ANC perp will cash expire to a 1-hour TWAP of its corresponding index prices. However, the convert function for ANC will be available on the crypto exchange. Last week, FTX supported the Terra Classic, lunc, network upgrade on August 26. It reopened withdrawals for all Terra Classic tokens after a successful upgrade. Binance earlier announced the suspension of Terra Classic and Terra Classic USD due to the closure of the shuttle bridge. This ended deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, via the Ethereum network. However, users can still use the Terra Classic network to deposit and withdraw their lunc and USTC tokens. Terra community continues to support Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD despite the Terra crisis. In fact, all Terra tokens Luna, lunc, and USTC saw massive daily trading volume. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.